Alright, so here's the hitch that was installed at U-Haul. Looks nice, very discreet. Take a look at it. Very happy. I'll let you know how the hookup goes. So I have a 5x8 trailer from U-Haul that I'm towing. See it in the rear view mirror there. I'm getting about 16.1 miles per gallon driving around town, pulling it. There's nothing in it. I just picked it up. So right now the car just really is pulling effortlessly. I mean, I'm driving around, I'm under 2,000 RPM, sitting around 1,500, getting 16.1 miles per gallon. I couldn't ask for better gas mileage. I'll keep you posted, and I will do an update when I leave tomorrow when the vehicle's fully loaded in the trailer. As you can see, here's the 3x5 trailer. The Atlas is not squatting at all. Suspension looks good. There is no load in it right now, but this is just with everything connected to it. The wiring harness was connected through the light box access, and what's really nice about it is I can tuck it away and not have it dangle once everything is said and done. I just want to show you guys what it's like when it's hooked up to the trailer, and right now there is no weight in it. I will keep you posted once weight has been put in it. So I'm getting about 24 miles to the gallon. I'm on the freeway right now. It's about 4:46. As you can see, it's still dark outside, traveling from Tucson to Flagstaff. And I'm getting 24.2 miles to the gallon. Towing has been a breeze. You can feel the weight, but nothing dramatic. It's absolutely amazing, this vehicle. I'll keep you updated once it gets outside of Phoenix and give you a better idea of what it's like when I'm going up hills. Alright, here's an update. I am still getting 24 miles to the gallon. I have just taken the exit to Flagstaff in Phoenix, and the whole experience has been absolutely amazing. Can't even feel the trailer. Car is well composed. Engine is not thrashing or trying to keep up. Extremely smooth. So, going up my first big grade here. Pretty steep. Saw my first sign that said, turn off air conditioning, that sort of thing. Car is still getting 21 miles to the gallon. I'm hovering around 3,000 RPM, but it's just absolutely fantastic. Can't tell you how great this vehicle's been going up this hill. It just absolutely effortless. So I'll keep giving updates. So just wanted to get another update. I've averaged about 19.1 miles per gallon. I've gone up through all the big hills and canyons on the way up to Flagstaff, and this car is an absolute beast. The RPMs never went over 3,000 RPM. Engine temperature has been solid the whole time. I have not had any abrupt shifting or anything like that, jerking or anything like that. It's been absolutely amazing. Up in the Alpine area now, elevation, I'm about 6,500 square feet in elevation. So it's absolutely been amazing. Well, I can't say enough good things about this vehicle. This is a decent sized trailer for most people. I mean, if you do light towing, this thing is perfect. More than capable. The U-Haul is filled to the brim with stuff. I would say there's probably 800 to 1,000 pounds in there, plus the trailer. So I can't say enough good things. If you are on the fence about a 3.6 and a 2-liter, if you don't do a lot of towing or you want to do a little bit, 2-liter is going to be absolutely perfect, and it's going to get you better gas mileage than the V6. Hope this is helpful to people out there, because I cannot find a video about the 2-liter Atlas. Enjoy.